like I'm nowhere. My dreams are like dust in my hand. But I know this is the waiting. I anxiously wait as I hold on to love that won't ever let go. And in these times when my patience is tested, won't you remind me that I'm not alone? Here in the waiting, the waiting, the waiting.
Congratulations, Pastor Judy, on your marriage with Pastor Joshua. So I hope you have a happy, faithful, and loving marriage. So may God bless you both.
Hi, Judy Ann! Congratulations! Ang swerte-swerte ni Joshua sa'yo! Kaya pag nagkaanak kayo, we got you!
Congrats ulit! Best wishes!
Bye! Pa-ultrasound na kayo si MC!
Yes!
Hi, Judy Ann! Grabe, parang kailan lang nung huli tayong classmates sa PUP. Tapos ngayon, ikakasal ka na. Well, I'm wishing you and Joshua a fruitful union. And remember to always put God in the center of your marriage.
Hi, Ate Judy Ann. Congratulations sa wedding mo. Grabe, parang dati lang pinag-uusapan natin to. Naalala mo ba? Kasi hindi ko malimutan yun, yung araw na sinabi mo sa akin na gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng Prince Charming. Ganon. Eto na, sis. Eto na yun. Ay, I'm so happy for you. Ay, namatay. Pero, ayun, sana ay maging happy ka sa mga winish mo sa akin before nung elementary tayo. Kasi sabi nga ni Ma'am Castro sa atin, di ba? Nakikita ko to si Judy Ann. Kakasal to this year, 2025. O, nangyari. Ang galing ni Ma'am Castro, no? In fairness siya. Anyway, congratulations sa wedding mo. And, ayun lang. Praying na kung ano man ang plano ni Lord sa iyong magiging new chapter, ay pasalamatan mo din si Ma'am Castro. Ay, sino siya? Sino siya? Congratulations!
Congratulations, Judy Ann and si Kuya Joshua. Wow, dati parang nag-date lang kayo dyan sa may tabi-tabi, sa Monster Showman. Nakita ko kayo dati.
Grabe, umalis ng panahon. Congratulations. Stay strong.
Stay strong sa inyo ni Kuya Joshua.
Hi, Judy! Congratulations!
Congrats sa wedding mo! See you soon! Miss na kita!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi po! Congratulations po, Ate Judy! Happy birthday, Judy Ann! Wish you all the best in life. Lagi kang magpakasaya dahil deserve mo yan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Ang tanda mo na, Han. Parang kailan lang, gaganto lang tayo kalili.
Kaya nga eh. Sumama ka sa gala natin ha.
Oo, hindi ka sumama last time.
Through the fire, through the fire.
Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday! God bless you so much.
Bye! See you.
Congratulations, Judy Ann and Joshua, and best wishes!
Hi, Judy and Joshua. Congrats sa inyo. So, hindi madali daw yung pag-asawa, pero kaya niya yan. Good luck.
Hi, Sister Judy Ann and Pastor Joshua. Congratulations on your wedding and best wishes. May God continue to be the center of your relationship.
Congratulations and best wishes!
So, ayun. Hello, Judy Ann. And congrats na ikakasal ka na. Sobrang sayo ko na malaman na ikakasal ka na kay Joshua. And, ayun, parang dati lang nabili ka lang dyan sa tabi ng siomay. So, ayun. Once again, congrats!
Congrats, Judy! Best wishes!
Miss na namin kayo. See you soon!
Congratulations to the newlyweds, Ate Judy and Pastor Joshua. May God be the center of your marriage. And always remember to have faith and trust in each other as you build a life filled with love, grace, and patience. Wishing you a lifetime of joy and never-ending blessings. Again, congratulations po.
Hi, Judy! Congrats! Congrats sa wedding niyo ni Joshua!
We wish you a happy married life.
Yes, best wishes! We miss you!
Hello! Ayun, nagbabalang ang iyong BFF. Hello, Mr. Joshua and the future Mrs. Judy. Yes! So, ayun, congratulations. So, I just wanna say congratulations po on your future wedding. Or, no, upcoming wedding. So, ayun, just wanna say congratulations. And I know na you are smiling today in your future husband. So, therefore, I just wanna say na may your future as husband and wife be as bright as your smile today. Congratulations. Love, 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 love. Love you.